Dear students, I am Pratima again. I welcome you all to this video. We have already finished simple interest. We have done so many questions from RS Agarwal exercise 12A. Now it is time to test your knowledge. So this exercise 11, 12.B, 12B is very important because these questions are asking different entrance examinations. So let us begin. Let us test how much you know. We will also summarize the formula, what we have learned till yet. Then you will do the question, you will pause the video, you will do the questions, you can check your answers. First question, not question, we'll go for the concept. If our deposit is called principal, P, rate of interest, R, time in year, then SI is equal to simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100, and amount is equal to A is equal to P plus simple interest. You can note down for if you have forgotten. Then your rate of interest can be calculated by SI multiplies by 100 by principal into time. In the same way, your time you can calculate by SI multiplies 100 by P into R. Similarly, principal also you can calculate by SI multiplies 100 by T into R. Ready? So question number 1, exercise 12B, question number 1. Here find the simple, you have to mark, tick mark in the answer. Here the simple interest of your rupees on 6,250 rupees 4% per annum for 6 months. Here it is not given in year. You have to keep it in mind. So P is equal to your 6,250, and this is your R, and this is your time is your 6 months, means I'll write half. So now I'll write the formula that will be P into R into T by 100. R percent means R by 100, so I'm writing R into 100. So this will be 6,250 multiplies 4 by 100 into half. 1 by 2 year into 100 for rate of interest. So we will cancel 0, 0 cancel. 2, you can cancel with 2, then 5, I add 2, I'll 5, then I'll cancel here 5. 5, 1, 5, 5, 2, then 5. 125 is the answer. Rupees 125. Where is the answer? Where is the answer? Answer is this. Question number 2. A sum amounts to. Sum amounts to. That means it is not your interest. It is amount to into 19 days. It is not in year. It is days. 5% per annum. So find the sum. You have to find the sum. What is the sum? Sum is options are 3250, 3500, 3400, 3550. So A is equal to 3605, A is equal to 219 days, and it is your 5% per annum. So this is your amount. We'll get your principal. So what I'll write? I'll write principal is P. Principal, let it be P. Then I'll write SI is equal to P into R. R is how much? R is 5% per annum, 5 by 100 into RA. Time is 219 by 365. And very interestingly, if you remember this, 365 is divisible by your 73. That is a very important thing. You can do many questions if you remember this one, because most of the times it will be asked in the days. You have to convert this. So 73 multiplies 5 is this, and 73 can be cancelled with your 3. 3 times 9, 3 7s are 21. So one part is, then I'll cancel 5, 5. So SI is, we are getting 3P by 100. So now principal is P, interest is 3P by 100. This is equal to your amount. And what is according to the question amount is how much? 3605. So if we'll simplify this, it will be 100P plus 3P by 100 is equal to 3605, or 103P by 100 is equal to, I can multiply 100, 360500. Next is P. P is equal to 3605 division your 103. 103 is a prime number. So let us divide it directly. 3605 division your 103. So I'll get first 3 times 300, 9. Then I'll get 1, 5 and 5. How much are you getting? You are getting 5. Yes. So this will be 3500. Where is the answer? Answer is your B. 3500 is the answer. Question number 3. Add simple interest. At simple interest, a sum becomes 6 by 5 times of itself in 2.5 years. The rate of interest per annum is 6%, 7.5%, 8% and 9%. So a sum becomes 6 by time of itself. So what is the sum? Let the sum be P. Let the sum be equal to P. And when sum is P, what will be the amount? It amounts to B becomes. Becomes means this is amount. 6 by times of itself. Itself means P. So amount is equal to 6 by 5 multiplies P. That will be 6P by 5. So what else is given? It is given time is given 5 by 2. And you have to get your rate. So I will get SI, simple interest. Where it is given, it is not given, no rupees. But we will get in term of P. Amount is equal to 6P by 5 minus sum is equal to P. So we will subtract. It will be how much? 6P minus 5P, that will be P by 5. SI is P by 5. Then write for the rate formula. Rate is equal to how much? SI, simple interest, multiplies 100 by P into T. So SI is P by 5 multiplies 100 upon P multiplies T. T is 5 by 2. Simplify this. So how to simplify? P by 5 into 100. Here 2 will go to the numerator. P is in denominator. 5 is also in denominator. So cancel now. 5, 20, 5, 4, P cancel. So you are getting 8. So R is equal to 8%. Where is the answer? Answer is C. Next is question number 4. In what time? Here, what time is given? Time is asked. Rupees 8,000 amounts to 8360. Add 6% per annum simple interest. So P is given to 8,000. I'm not writing the rupees because this is a multiple choice question. Amount is equal to 8360. I can get your SIE. Simple interest is equal to 8360 minus 8,000. Let's do some mental calculation. This will be 360 only. R is equal to 6%. Then I go for time. Time formula is equal to how much? SIE into 100 upon P into R. So it will be 360 multiplies 100 upon 8,000 into rate is equal to how much? 6. So 0, 0 cancel, 3, 0 cancel. Then your 6 times. Then it will be 6 by 8. Make it lowest. This will be 3 by 4 years. 3 by 4 is how much? Which one will the answer? It will be 1 and 1 by 4. So your C is the answer. Next is question number 5. At what rate percent annum? At what rate percent annum? Simple interest will a sum double itself in 10 years. That means a sum P will double itself. Double itself means the amount will become twice P in 10 years. So what is given? Given is principal is P, sum is P, amount is double of it, so 2 into P, time is 10 years, and you have to find your rate. So find out your simple interest. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. So 2P minus P. How much it is? This is P. Now go for the formula for rate. Rate is equal to how much? SIE multiplies 100 upon P into T. So SIE is how much? P into 100. Here this is also P. Principal is also P. Interest is also P. Into time is how much? 10. So this is easy now. How many percentage? Rate is your 10%. 10% per annum. So B is the answer. Question number 6. The simple interest at X% per annum for X years will be rupees X on a sum of what? Sum of what? The options are rupees X, 100X, 100 by X, 100 by X square. No money, no number, no numerical, only X, X, X. No problem, we know everything, the formula. Simple interest at X% per annum. So R is X. X years, so time is X. Simple interest is X. SI is X. What is question? Question is what is sum? P is what? Write down formula for P. So P is equal to SI multiplies 100 upon T into 1. So this will be X multiplies 100 upon X multiplies X. So 1X I can cancel. How much it will be? It will be 100 by X. Is there any answer? Yes, C is the answer. So P is 100 by X. Next, coming to question number 7. The simple interest on a sum of 5 years. Simple interest on a sum of 5 for 5 years is 2 by 5 of the sum. The rate percent per annum is 10%, 8%, 6%, 12.5%. The simple interest is equal to 2 by 5 of your principal. So I'll take the sum is P, principal, SI is equal to 2P by 2 is P by 5 because 2 by 5 of P means 2 by 5 into P. That will be 2P by 5. Then you have to find your time is also given 5 years. You have to get your rate. Write the formula. Rate is equal to SIE multiplies 100 upon T into P. SI is equal to 2P by 5 multiplies 100 upon T is 5 multiplies P. So you can simplify 2P by 5 into 100 and here your 5 into P. If we cancel 5, 20, 5, 4, so it is your 8%. Question number 8. A person borrows rupees 8,000 at 12% per annum. Simple interest. B borrows 9,100, 10% per annum. Simple interest. How many years will their amounts equal? In how many years the amounts will be equal? Okay. So first principal is equal to your, of course, let me read the question. In 18 years, 20 years, 22 years, 24 years. A has borrowed 8,000 rupees for rate 12% and B borrows 9,100 and 10% per annum. In how many years these two amounts will be equal? So P1 is equal to your 8,000 and R1 is equal to 12%. Time same for both. Then what will the amount? First I'll get amount 1. We'll find out. Similarly, P2 is equal to 9,100. R2 is equal to 10% per annum. T is same. Then we'll find A2 and we'll make them equal. So first I'm getting SI for first one. It will be how much? It will be 8,000 into 12 into T. I am keeping T as T same as we do for X by 100. 100 I'll cancel these two. So it will be 960. If I'll multiply 960 into T is SI. Then what will be the amount 1? Amount 1 is equal to 8,000 plus 960 into T. Into T multiplies T. Now let us come for second one. SI2. SI2 will be 9,100 into 10% into same time, because at the same time they will be equal. So it will be how much? By 100. Here also I will cancel this 2. It will be 910 into T. Then here amount will be how much? 9100 plus 910 T. And according to the question, these two amounts are equal. So make them equal. So 8,000 plus 960T is equal to 9100 910T. Now I'll keep your T left side as we do for X and 9100 and number right side. So what I'm getting? I'm getting 50 times of T is equal to, subtract here 0, it will be 91 minus 8. It will be how much? 13. Is it 13? No, it will be 1100. 1100. So 0 cancel. So what will be T? T will be 110 divided by 5. 22. 22 years. After 22 years, their amount will be equal. C is the answer. Question number 9. A sum of rupees 600 amounts to 720 in 4 years. A sum, this is principal 600, amount is 720, and time is this. Time is 4. What will it amount at the rate of interest increase by 2%? 724, 648, 768, 792. So that means rate, it is not given. We will find the rate first. Then we will add your rate by 2%. Then we will go for the second thing. First, from the information given, P is 600 and A is equal to 720. Let me find your interest. Simple interest is how much? Amount minus principal. So it will be 720 minus 600. It is 120. When time is 4 years, then I'll go for what? I'll get rate. Rate is equal to P. P is SI into 100 by P into T. SI is equal to 120 into 100 by 600 multiplies 4. 0, 0 cancel. 620, 4, 5. So rate of interest is 5%. Now it is increased by 2%. So new rate becomes here 5 plus 2, 7%. That what amount it will be? What will it amount if the rate of interest will be increased by 2%? If the rate of interest will be 7 in place of your 5, what should be the thing? What should be the amount? So we can get simple interest now. Simple interest will be how much? 600 into 7 into your 4 by 100. How much it will be? Multiply 168. So what will the amount? Amount will be your 600 plus 168. It will be rupees 768. Or we can do this question by in this way. What will get the at a rate 2%, then we'll also add to the previous amount, then it will be also the answer. I hope you have got my point. Question number 10. X, Y, Z are three sums of the money. That means there are three principals, X, Y, Z. So that Y is the simple interest on X and Z is the simple interest on Y for the same time, same rate. Which of the following is correct? XYZ is equal to 1, Z square is equal to XY, X square is equal to YZ, Y square is equal to ZX. X, Y, Z are three sums such that Y is Y is simple interest for X and SI is Z for your Y for same rate and same time. So let us write the expression. So Y is equal to simple interest is equal to X multiplies your rate multiplies your time by 100. Y is the simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. P is X. I am writing RT 100 as it is. Next, coming to second one. Second one, Z will be Y multiplies R multiplies T by 100. From this, we have to find which one is correct from here. So what we'll do, just divide relation 1 with divide to relation 2. So that this RT will be cancelled. So what I'll write Y by Z. I'm dividing this Y by Z is equal to X into R into T by 100 upon Y into R into T by 100. Then your 100 cancel, R cancel, T cancel. I'm getting just X by Y. Then what will cross multiply? Y into Y, Y square, X into Z, X into Z. So Y square is equal to XZ is the answer. D is the answer. So question number 11. In how much time would the simple interest on a sum of 0.125 times the principal at 10% per annum? The answers are 1 and 1 by 4, 1 and 3 by 4, 2 and 1 by 4, 2 and 3 by 4 years. in how much time would the simple interest will becomes your 1.125 times of the principal. That means SI is your 0.125 multiplies by P, and R is equal to 10%. And your question is about your time, and P is P, principal is P, sum is P. So what is the formula for T? T is equal to SI multiplies by 100 by P into your R. So SI is 0.125 P into 100 upon principal is P, rate is 10. So PP cancel, 110 cancel. Now multiply 0.125 into 10. How much? It will be 1.25 year. 1.25 means how much? 125 by 100 or 5 by 4, or it will be 1 and 1 by 4 years. A is correct. Next is question number 12. At which sum will the simple interest, the rate of 3 and 3 by 4% per annum be 210 in 2 and 3 hours? 2 and 1 by 3 hours. At which sum will the simple interest at the rate 3 and 4, this is rate, this is your time, then at which sum? Which sum means this question is about P. P is asked. This is your simple interest. SI is equal to 210. So this is very simple. P is equal to how much? SI multiplies by 100 into R into T. So SI is how much? SI is equal to 210 multiplies your 100 by R. Here R I will make into improper fraction. It will be 15 by 4. And here time I'll make into 7 by 3. So this will be 15 by 4 into 7 by 3. So only the simplification part you will do. So 4 and 3 will be multiplied in the numerator, and 15 and 7 will be in the denominator. So 7, 3 times 21, 0, 15, 2. Now go on multiplying. This will be 200 into 4, 800 into 3. How much? Rupees 2400. Have you done it? I hope you also completed. Thank you all the subscribers to support this channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.